What if I told you that your daily routine could change your English forever? Not a big course, not expensive classes, not perfect grammar, just your daily routine. Sounds simple, right? But this is where everything changed for me. Every morning, I woke up with the same feeling, a small fear inside my chest. I wanted to speak English. I wanted to speak fluently and confidently. But when I tried, my mind went blank. Have you ever felt that? You understand English. You read it. You watch videos. But when it is time to speak, silence. I used to think I was not smart enough. I thought maybe English was only for talented people. People who studied in big schools. People who lived abroad. But I was wrong. And today, I want to show you something powerful. Something simple. Something that can change your English using your daily routine. Because your daily routine is not boring. It is your training ground. It starts in the morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. At first, I used to wake up and check my phone. Social media. Messages. News. My brain was full, but not with English. One day, I asked myself a simple question. What if I used this moment to practice? So the next morning, I did something different. I opened my eyes and said, slowly, quietly, "Good morning. Today is a new day." It felt strange. It felt silly. I was alone in my room, talking to myself. But I continued. I feel a little tired, but I will try my best today. Small sentences. Very simple, but they were mine. This is where everything changed. I went to the bathroom. I looked in the mirror. I picked up my toothbrush and said, "I am brushing my teeth." I use a small toothbrush. The water is cold. Was my English perfect? No. Did I make mistakes? Yes. But I was speaking. That was the difference. Before, I waited for the perfect moment, the perfect teacher, the perfect grammar. Now I was using my real life. When I made breakfast, I described everything. I am making tea. The water is boiling. I add sugar. I add milk. It smells good. Simple, clear, real. But inside, something was growing. Confidence. At first, my voice was low. I was shy. Even alone, I felt embarrassed. Why? Because I was afraid of sounding wrong. But let me ask you something. If you are afraid to speak alone, how will you speak in front of people? That question hit me hard. So I made a decision. Every single day, I would speak English during my daily routine. No excuses. When I got dressed, I said, "I am wearing a blue shirt today. It is comfortable. I like this color." When I left the house, I said, "The weather is warm. The sky is clear. There are many cars on the road." Slowly, something amazing happened. My brain stopped translating so much. I started thinking in English. Not big sentences. Not complex grammar. Just simple thoughts. And that was enough. But then came the real test. One day, I had to speak English to a stranger. My heart was beating fast. My hands were cold. I felt the old fear coming back. What if I forget words? What if I make mistakes? What if they laugh at me? But then I remembered something. I had been speaking every day. In the morning, in the kitchen, on the street. I had trained myself. So I took a deep breath. And I spoke. "My name is. Nice to meet you. I am learning English." My voice was not perfect, but it was strong. And do you know what happened next? Nothing bad. No one laughed. No one judged me. In fact, the person smiled and said, "Your English is good." I did not believe it at first, but in that moment, I understood something powerful. Fluency is not about perfection. Fluency is about comfort. And comfort comes from repetition. Daily repetition. Let me take you deeper. There were days when I felt tired, days when I did not want to practice, days when I thought, this is useless. Have you ever felt that? You start something with excitement. Then, after a few days, motivation disappears. This was my biggest challenge. Not grammar, not vocabulary, consistency. One night, I looked at myself and said, if you stop now, you go back to fear. That scared me more than speaking, going back to silence. So, I changed my mindset. I stopped saying, I must study English. I started saying, English is part of my life. When I cooked dinner, I described the food. I am cutting vegetables. The knife is sharp. The onions make me cry. When I clean my room, I said, my room is messy. I need to clean it. I put my clothes in the closet. Normal life. Normal words, but powerful practice. Week after week, my sentences became smoother. I stopped searching for words so much. I started speaking faster. But the biggest change was not in my mouth. It was in my mind. The fear was smaller, and confidence was bigger. This is where the real transformation happens. Not outside, inside. One day, I recorded myself speaking about my daily routine. Just 2 minutes. I listened to the recording. At first, I felt uncomfortable. I heard mistakes. I heard pauses. But I also heard progress. I compared it with an old recording from months ago. The difference was huge. No one saw this coming. Not my friends. Not my family. Even I did not expect it. All because of simple daily routine conversations. Let me tell you something very important. You do not need perfect grammar to speak. You do not need a foreign accent. You do not need to know thousands of words. You need courage and daily action. Say it again with me in your heart. Daily action. Every morning when you wake up, speak. Every time you eat, describe your food. Every time you walk, talk about what you see. It sounds small, but small actions, repeated every day, create big results. One evening, I was sitting with a group of people. The conversation was in English. Before, I would stay quiet. I would smile and pretend to understand everything. But that night was different. I joined the conversation. I shared my opinion. I told a short story about my day. And I noticed something beautiful. People were listening. They were not focusing on my mistakes. They were focusing on my message. That was the climax of my journey. The moment I realized, I am not a beginner anymore. I am a speaker. And you can become one too. But here is the truth. There is no magic. There is no shortcut. There is only your decision. Will you stay silent? Or will you start speaking today? Your daily routine is waiting for you. Tomorrow morning, when you open your eyes, do not check your phone first. Speak. Say, good morning. Today I will practice. When you drink water, say, I am drinking water. It is fresh and cold. When you feel tired, say, I feel tired, but I will not stop. These small sentences will build your confidence step by step. And one day, you will look back and say, wow, I can speak English. Not because you are special, but because you were consistent. Remember this. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. You speak first. Then you feel confident. You try first. Then you improve. Do not wait to feel ready. Start speaking now. Your daily routine is your teacher. Your mirror is your audience. Your life is your classroom. And your voice is powerful. Maybe today you feel shy. Maybe today you feel slow. Maybe today you make many mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes mean you are trying. Silence means you are stuck. Choose mistakes. Choose growth. Choose courage. Because one day someone will ask you, How did you become so confident in English? And you will smile. And you will say, I started with my daily routine. If this story touched you, if you felt something inside your heart, then do not ignore it. Start tomorrow. No, start today. Speak after this video ends. Practice one small sentence, then another, and another. If you want more simple, powerful English stories like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And watch the next video, because your journey to fluent and confident English has just begun. Your voice matters. Now it is time to use it.